Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue with the chapter Light. In the last video, we studied about different parts of human eye, where we studied about the role of cornea, iris, pupil, lens, retina, and optic nerves. And as we have studied about the retina, that retina is a thin membrane or a screen which is present in the eye, where the image of an object is formed. Right, children? So this is what we studied last time. Now what happens is, when an image is formed on the retina, it remains on the retina for a very short period of time, and that we call as persistence of vision. While films are called motion pictures, in reality, they are simply a series of pictures. When projected in sequence, these pictures give the illusion of motion. And this sense of motion is possible because of this characteristic of human eye known as persistence of vision, which we discussed just now. That is, the image remains on the retina for a very short period of time, and if we continue projecting different images one after the other within that short period of time, all the images overlap each other and they all seem to be in a continuous motion. So we can define persistence of vision as, when the image is formed on retina, it remains there for 1/16th of a second, and this property of eye is called the persistence of vision. So image formed on the retina remains on retina for 1/16th of a second. It's a very short period of time. So within that time period, if we continuously flip the pictures quickly, then all the pictures seem to be in motion. And this is what happens when we go for movies or when we watch any animated pictures. Now here there is a small activity which you all can do, which will make it even more clear to you all. Here there is a small circular cardboard is taken, and on both the sides of the cardboard, two different pictures are drawn. On one side you are supposed to draw the picture of a bird, and on other side you will draw the picture of a cage. And on this circular cardboard, when you have stuck the pictures or drawn the pictures, make holes and put thread. And now when you're going to spin this, when you will spin it at fast speed, what will happen? When you're going to spin it very quickly, what will happen? Both the pictures image will be formed on your retina, and you have to be very quick in this. So when these images are formed one after the other in a rapid motion, it appears that that bird is inside the cage. Okay, so you all can try this, and this appearance or this illusion is due to the characteristic of the human eye, which is known as persistence of vision. Like this, you can create different pictures and different illusions using this characteristic. Now, children, our eyes are very, very important part of our body, because it will become very difficult to handle everything in absence of vision, or in case we are not able to see clearly anything around us. So it is very important to take care of our eyes, because it is the most precious gift given by God to human beings or all the animals to have vision. Now, especially nowadays when we all are doing all this online studies and everything, our homework, our exams, our lectures, everything going on online, due to which we are very much exposed to different types of screens, mobile screens, laptop screens, and this is hampering our vision a lot. This long exposure to the screens may damage our eyes. Therefore, in regular life also we need to take care of eyes, but especially during these days it is very important to take care of our eyes. Now there are some precautions which you all should take so that our eyes remain healthy. Always, whenever you're using your laptop or mobile or you're watching TV, always maintain a proper distance. Don't be too close to the screen. Maintain a proper distance from the screen. When you're studying, see to that there is sufficient amount of light. Do not study in dim light, because you will have to strain your eyes, and that straining your eyes can damage your eyes and can cause vision problem in future. So therefore, whenever you study, see to that there is sufficient light available. You should have regular checkup for your eyes. If there is any problem, if there is you find that you have to overstrain your eyes, or anything is not you are not able to read clearly or not able to see anything, any distant object clearly, then you must go to an eye specialist, and if advised, use suitable spectacles. Another thing is taking care of diet. Must include healthy fruits and vegetables in your diet, which help for better growth and development of your eyes. Like carrot, papaya, all these are rich in vitamin A. So must include all these fresh vegetables and fruits. Besides this, there are many more things which we can do to take care of the eyes, like you must give rest to your eyes for by having 7 to 8 hours sleep daily. So every 24 hours you must have 7 to 8 hours sleep, so that your eyes are getting enough rest. Then if in case any dust particle enters your eye, do not rub your eye immediately. Wash your eyes with water, and if irritation continues, then you must consult a doctor. Okay. Then do not expose your eyes to very bright light. Do not look at sun directly. So all these things will help to take care of your eyes, because we all are blessed with this gift of God of vision. We are having eyes, and you all must be thankful to God for this, because there are people who are facing problems, like they are visually challenged people, or we can say visually impaired, either partially or completely. And for these people, the life is not as easy as it is for us. And these people, but still, they can read or they can study with the help of a special system called as Braille system. Louis Braille, who was a blind French teacher, he was famous because he invented this Braille system. He invented a code called Braille, and this was a 63 character code. Each letter, number or symbol was different, and each character is a rectangle of 6 circles in a relief form. So he created this system, Braille system, which help these visually impaired people to read and study. This system, in this system there are dots which are raised, so that by touching these dots they can read what is written. But alphabets are not as the normal ABC which we are studying. They are in different designs. As you can see here, different letters are given different patterns of dots. Okay, so different patterns are formed with those 6 dots. They have to learn these letters, and then slowly they learn how to read words